Allison Klein with GreaseGirl.com. I'm here with Nationwide today at the 31st Annual Goodguys West Coast Nationals. We're going to look at some cars and talk to some car owners about what makes them so passionate about their rides.
This car has a very interesting story. I was in the Air Force, and while I was stationed at Dakota Air Base in Japan, I saw this car sitting for about 3.5 years.
It's my car, your job. Yeah.
I take care of her cars.
Obviously it's unique because it's been in your family since it came off the lot. What else makes you love this car?
Well, your car guy, it's because it's got a lot of power.
I mean, what's better than a black-on-black Riviera laid out on the ground?
I know.
I don't know.
So what made you choose this Corvette?
When I was 18 years old, I helped my brother rebuild a motor. We put in one, I test drove it, and I just fell in love with the car. Wanted one ever since, and I had the chance to buy one and finally got it.
Here you are. This entire car is original, right?
This is original. My late father-in-law bought this brand new in 1955.
Single owner.
And single owner, so it's been in the family since then. And I've tried to preserve it as well as I could to preserve his memory. Every dent and scratch has a story that he has behind it, which he's no longer here, so I don't want to cover those stories up.
What caught your attention about this car?
Just everything, the patina, you know, it looks like it just came out of a glass case that it was just sitting there. So it runs great. We're not going to do nothing to it. We're not even going to wash it. That's it. It's done.
Would you ever trade this in for something different, or?
No, actually I had a few offers. The latest offer was $150,000 and I'm like, nope, not willing. So no
Woman
value.
after my own heart.
Thank you. The guy thinks I'm crazy, but that's okay. I am.
We've seen tons of amazing cars today, from sparkly to patinaed, and talked to the owners, finding out family histories, amazing adventures had in them. Every car has a unique story. To find out more about protecting what matters most to you, visit Nationwide.
Nationwide is on your side.
Vroom, vroom.